Packing the last few shirts into a bloated suitcase. Last glimpse of comfort and the ticking clock face. I swear those hands move faster every day. I'm more confused than ever, but I don't beg or pray. Cause the sparkling light from the morning sun is all we should need to feel one. I reached the station with just minutes to spare. Glance at my watch, time's going faster these days, I swear. Eyes focus up now to the train timetable board. There's only 2 platforms to be explored. And it's then that I admit it to myself that I am lost, so lost. But you're the constellations that guide me. My mind wanders back to our oblivious existence. I'm all choked up now with the threat of distance. As the train bound for disaster chokes up to the station, I don't board it cause I decide that it's the wrong destination. But the train bound for sustainability is nowhere to be seen. And I'm lost, so lost. Where are the constellations that guide me? And then I realised that we need to use our own 2 feet toward these tracks.